To make the apple caterpillar, I am using 1 apple, Baby Bell cheese, and 2 candy eyes. First, you're going to slice your apple in half. So it looks like this. Next, you're going to core the apple. Do that to both. And when you're done with that, you're going to slice the half. So it looks like this. Continue with the whole slice. So you have a bunch of slices. And slice both of your halves. Now we're going to make the face. Put our 2 candy eyes onto our unwrapped Baby Bell cheese. And a little mouth. I used just a little piece of apple peel, so it looks like that. Or you could cut a circle out of the apple and use that for the mouth. Now we're going to do the body of the caterpillar. Line up your apples that you're using, slices. And just arrange them. And keep doing that till you're finished. The cut up apple. And for this part, you can use the apple slices, apple peel slices. Or you can use apple cut into shapes like that, whichever you prefer. And for the feet, little legs, I also cut up a little bit of apple and just place it anywhere. You can also use apple peel for this, whichever you prefer, whichever is easier for you. Looks like that. I'm going to add a little bit of kale, fresh kale, to make it look like grass. You could use lettuce or spinach if you don't like the taste of kale, or if the kids don't like kale. And if you want to get really creative, you can make the sun. You're going to need a tangerine or an orange and a cheese that I'm going to cut up into a circle. After you cut the cheese in a circle, the sun, We're going to place the oranges all around for the rays of the sun. So it looks like that. And I added 2 candy eyes and a little bit of apple peel for the sun, for the eyes and the mouth. You can use chocolate chips instead of candy eyes, and anything else that you prefer or have handy. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. You can use these for birthday parties, after school snack, or any time as a lunch. That's a good way for the kids that are picky to get their fruits and veggies. And if you have the time, you can also read them the story while they're eating. And hope you enjoyed my video today. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell notification. That helps with my algorithm. And hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon. And hope you enjoyed my video today. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell notification. That helps with my algorithm. And hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.